Hello student, let me continue. Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 5.2. In exercise 5.2, we have to find the nth term. To find the nth term, formula is a plus n minus 1d. An is also L, that is nth term a, first term n, number of term and d, common difference. Question number 1, part first. A7, D3, N8, we to have to find An. Apply formula. Simple questions. A7 and 8 minus 1, D is 3. Solving. 7 3s are 21. Add up. Answer is 28. Second part. A minus 18, we have to find D and 10, A and 0. Apply formula. A and 0, A minus 18 and 10 minus 1, D we have to find. 18 comes to left hand side, becomes positive 9D. Then D is equals to 18 by 9 makes 2 answer. Part third, we have to find A, D minus 3 and 18 and AN is minus 5. Apply formula. AN minus 5, A we have to find 18 minus 1, D is minus 3. 18 minus 1, 17, minus 3. 17 3s are 51. Then A is 46 is answer. Part fourth, A minus 18.9, D 2.5 and we have to find AN 3.6. Apply formula. AN 3.6, A, D is 2.5, 18.9, left hand side. Now adding. N minus 1 same. 2.5 goes to left hand side in division. Cancel point from point. Cut at 9. Then N is equals to 9 plus 1. Makes 10 is answer. Next and last, fifth part. A 3.5, D 0 and 105. We have to find AN. Apply formula. A, N, D 0, 104 into 0. If we multiply any number by 0, we got same 0. Answer is 3.5. Now the next question number 2. 30th term of AP 10 7 4. First part. A10, D, A2 minus A1 makes minus 3. N 30, AN, A plus N minus 1D, AN, we have to find A10, N30 minus 1, D is minus 3. Solving. Three nines are 27. Minus 87. Answer is minus 77. Second part. 11th term of AP. So A minus 3. D A2 minus A1. Take LCM. We have 5 by 2. N is 11. Apply formula. A minus 3 and 11 minus 1. D is 5 by 2. 5 5s are 25. We have 22 is the answer. Thank you.